India everyone. I, as coordinator of Team 23, would like to present our application on production of Hexenol in a two-enzyme system. From us, you will get this one zip file. After you have extracted the files inside this folder, you will have two folders and one application. The first folder and the second folder is for MATLAB users and MATLAB friendly, as the first one is the coding done with GUI, where you can find MATLAB figure files and MATLAB code files. For this folder, this is normal coding without GUI, where you will still find a MATLAB code and also a function file that associated with it. Now we will look at the application that we have created. It is a standalone execution file. So let's run it. Click next. Choose where you want to install it. Click next again. After it has been installed, you can see that the application has been shortcutted to the desktop. Let's click the application. This is the application made by our team. On top left, we have new, open, save, print, zoom in and zoom out. In the first tab, we have industry application. In the second tab, we have validation data to check our programming is correct or not. In the third tab, which is read-me, it tells the user that we employ two methods and the user will choose the best method for them. In the fourth tab, it is how to tab, where after the user chooses the method 1 or 2, the user have to look at the method 1 or method 2 operating way, so that they know how to operate the next upcoming tabs. This is method 1 tab. The user has to read the way to operate this method 1 tab from the how to tab I showed just now. This is method 2 tab, where the user has to read the how to tab again to use this method 2 tab. Next, we have reference tab. So it shows the references that we have used. Our main reference is from Akacha, where that is the article that we use to create our programming. The last tab is about us, where it tells our group members, our supervisor, and our team coordinator and his email, so that you can contact him for any help or clarification on this program. Thank you.